Hi and welcome to WP Toolkit Video Magic. Now WordPress Video Magic is a WordPress plugin, so go through the normal plugin upload and activation process. Once you've activated the plugin, you will have a message saying the plugin is unlicensed. So scroll down in your admin bar to where it says WP Toolkit Video Magic. Click on this and you'll end up on this screen. Then all you need to do is find your JVZoo, Warrior Plus or ClickBank receipt ID. It will be in one of these three formats shown in this information here. Copy that, paste it into your license key field here. Obviously I've blurred mine out, and then simply click on Save Changes to activate the plugin. Once your license has registered, you'll end up on this page where you need to enter your Amazon Web Services S3 settings. So next we need to log in to our Amazon Web Services S3 console. Then click on the drop-down menu under your account name and choose My Security Credentials. That will take you across to a page that looks like this. Then simply choose the Access Keys option here. Now, if you have any existing keys, we do recommend that you create a new access key specifically for WP Video Magic. So let's click on the Create New Access Key button and it will create the key for you. You can download a copy of that to your local computer. Now, I'd highly recommend keeping the key information in a spreadsheet just in case you end up using multiple keys for different products and different tools. That way you always know which is which by referring back to that spreadsheet. You can also click on the button here saying Show Access Key, which will allow me to take and copy that across into the plugin settings page. Okay, so here I am back on my plugin settings page. I popped in my access key and my secret key. Before I click on save, the one last setting here is the option to choose your bucket region. Simply choose the region that's closest to your marketplace and then click on save changes. Once you've saved those changes, you'll need to do the same thing for your CloudFront settings, and you can find this by scrolling down to the WP Toolkit Video Magic menu and click on CloudFront. Now, it's a similar process. We need to head back across to our Amazon S3 console. We're still on the Your Security Credentials page, but this time we're going to click on the CloudFront key pairs. And again, we simply need to click on the button for Create New Key Pair. Now this time we are forced to download the files, so I'm going to download these and save them. Now I simply paused the video for a second while I downloaded both of those keys. Once you have downloaded them, click on Close, and you will be able to get the public access key from here. So we can take this and pop back to our WordPress plugin and pop this in to the access key ID here at the top. Make sure if you are copying and pasting that you don't leave a space at the end as I did there. Now for the private key, you're actually going to have to navigate to wherever you saved that on your hard disk and open up the file. Now it's an unusual type of file. It has an extension of .pem and it's quite possible that you don't have any tools associated to that file type on your PC or your Mac for opening that file type. So what you can do instead is right click on it and choose Open with TextPad or Open with Notepad++ or any text editor, which should be able to open it without any problems. So I'm going to open this with TextPad, and here you go. Here's the full key format. You'll notice there's quite a lot of information in there, and you do need to grab the whole lot. So you can use Control A to highlight the whole section, and then Control C to copy the whole lot, then head back and paste it in, and you can see we've got the complete code including the begin tag and the end tag. And all we need to do now is scroll down and click on Save Changes to update those keys in WP Video Magic. And once that's saved and updated, if I scroll down, if you have any existing CloudFront distribution URLs or S3 buckets, they will show in this section of the plugin page. Okay, that's all there is to getting your keys set up. Thank you very much for watching, and please move on to the next tutorial video.